If you're experiencing issues with voice chat in Apex Legends, follow these steps to troubleshoot and unlock the functionality. This guide will help you identify and resolve common problems. Step 1. Check voice chat settings. Navigate to the Game Settings menu and select the Audio tab. Ensure that voice chat is enabled and that the correct input and output devices are selected. Adjust the volume levels to make sure they are not muted or set too low. Step 2. Test your microphone. Make sure your microphone is working properly. You can do this by testing it in another application or using the built-in sound settings on your device. If the microphone is not functioning, try reconnecting it or using a different one. Step 3. Adjust system sound settings. Open your system sound settings and ensure that the correct playback and recording devices are set as default. Check the properties of your microphone to ensure it is not muted and that the volume is set appropriately. Step 4. Check firewall and antivirus settings. Sometimes, firewalls or antivirus software can block voice chat features. Check your firewall settings to ensure that Apex Legends is allowed to communicate over the network. You may need to add it as an exception in your security software. Step 5. Restart the game and device. If the above steps do not resolve the issue, try restarting Apex Legends and your gaming device. This can help clear any temporary glitches that may be affecting voice chat functionality. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and resolve any voice chat issues in Apex Legends. If problems persist, consider checking online forums or the official support page for further assistance.